it's an airplane, baby.
Not joking, is it? Are you not joking? What are you doing that for?
Look, another airplane.
Oh, you better go and see your dentist then.
Natatapon lang eh.
Nakakaintindi kaya ito ng Tagalog. Sabi ko, punta ka ng dentist, ha? Pa-check mo yan.
Look, another airplane.
You got beautiful eyes. I like to say it like that.
Baka nag-i-spit yan.
Oh my God.
I said that earlier.
Yeah, there's no speed. See the donkey there, oh.
Okay, come on, let's go.
See the donkey. Come on. There. Kuya, this way.
Si Tart walang daan dyan eh.